Hey guys, good morning. How's everybody doing? I'm going to go over all these hot stocks this morning in the pre-market. I got the stock screener up. You're looking at Trading View. This is Nora, the Stock Explorer. Guys, come to you Monday morning. Good morning, everybody. It's coffee time. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on? What's going on? We're going to look at all the hot stocks. I got a couple that are at the top of my watch list, and I want to talk about those today. Here you got the stock screener, so I'll just leave this up for a few moments so you guys can get some ideas. You got the last price here, percent change, and then what you don't see everywhere else, you got the buyer sell rating, and some of these are listed as a strong buy, so I'm going to scroll through these and let you guys maybe get some ideas from the stock screener. Let's see what's a strong buy this morning. Starting off with Visa, ticker symbol V. Visa's listed as a strong buy. It's sitting at $234.96. NVIDIA is a strong buy, sitting at $713.01. We got PayPal, strong buy at $271.45. Adobe Incorporated, strong buy at $541.26. Got Salesforce, or CRM, another popular stock, strong buy at $240.31. We have PepsiCo, a dividend king, strong buy at $147.69. Merck & Company, pharmaceutical, strong buy at $76.27. We got Mickey D's, ticker symbol MCD. It's listed as a strong buy at $236.93. We got Texas Instruments, maker of those dorky calculators. They are sitting at $188.67, listed as a strong buy. Shopify, listed as a strong buy at $1247.02. Alright guys, so I'll scroll that back up towards the top while everybody hops on. How's everybody doing this morning? How's everybody doing? I got my coffee. I got my Wawa coffee. My home girl hooked me up. Thank you, Luz, from the Wawa at the corner by my house. You're always taking good care of your regulars. And I want to give a shout out to Shayla and Leo and Nicole. They're always looking out for me as well, guys. Good morning. Yum, yum, yum. All right. Let me pop over to I'm going to show you guys TD Ameritrade today. I'm going to switch. I was showing the charts on Webull. I want to see how I like it on TD Ameritrade. One thing I like about TD is that they put the name of the company sort of at a little shadow icon here within the frame, so you don't forget what chart you're looking at. After you look at charts all day, these start to all run together and you forget what you're looking at. So when you maximize the sell, it will show you the logo, the company logo or icon there, the name of the company. So I like that it does have that feature. Small things make a big difference, guys. Anyway, of course I'm watching AMC, watching Clover, because I do have some looking to take profits on that if we get a nice little run up today on the Clover. Looking at MVIS or Microvision because it had a nice setup and it looks like it might start heading to 23. I was tempted to buy some of these, but I will be watching that. And of course, I have BlackBerry as well. That's sitting at 14.18. You know, they may get a little bit of a pop today. We don't know. We got to watch and see what's going on. Hey, good morning. Good morning, Trisha. Yeah, I got my yum yum coffee. Hopefully you guys can see me. Yeah, I think you guys can see me. So, how's everybody's weekend? I had a nice 3-day weekend. My dog's being a weirdo licking her butt. I don't know what it is, but when I go live, she likes to sit on the couch and lick her butt. And I'm like, hey, what are you doing? You're killing me. Hey, what's up? Good morning, my friend Rasta from Rasta Stocks. Guys, if you're not subscribed, check out his channel. It's Rasta Stocks, all one word. He's got a nice channel he's got going. We're all headed to 1,000 subs, slowly but surely heading up there, trying to get more and more people, build up the community. Good morning. Thank you, Rasta Stocks. Good morning to you. We can see you. Okay, good. Got everything on here working good. I tried StreamYard this weekend with Michelle Morar. That was fun. That was actually very user-friendly. The free version allows you to stream with up to 6 people, in the window. So we did the 2. If I'm going to do it, I want to have everybody ready to roll before it gets started, because it was real distracting to try to add someone on during the live stream. It was like a little distracting, and I apologize. I don't want to seem like I wasn't engaging, but I was trying to add one more person. We wanted to get that working and see how that works. So it worked well. You connected. You can only connect to one social media with the free version. So of course I connected it to the YouTube to go live on YouTube, and it worked quite well. No problem with that. I think that's something I'm going to use more often, especially with collaborations, because it has the nice tag at the bottom with your name, and you can see who's on the live chat. So that was fun. Always fun to get on live. I thanked Michelle Morar for her time on a Saturday night. That was a good time. Want to give a shout out to Lucas Murphy and the gang, and Peter DiCarlo and the Capitalist Academy gang, guys. Always appreciate being part of your Discord and your community. Great positive communities out there for traders and investors, guys. You want to be a part of a group. You want to be in a Discord. That seems to be the best place where you can meet, because it has so many features. The chat, the the screen sharing. You can even stream from there. So it has a lot of features on it. If you're not part of a trading group, check out my banner, and in the description I'll always post links to the Capitalist Academy. If you'd like to join, let me know. Alright guys, let's hope we have a good week for AMC, because I'm riding out with house money, but I still want to see everybody win, guys. I'm really rooting for you guys. I don't know how many shares each of you have. A couple of my friends, I have somewhat of an idea of how many they have. I'm riding out with 50 shares, and then I have the three shares in the TD New Account Challenge. And that's given the account a nice little boost. I was up about $68 or so on that. So a lot of my small cap high growth stocks in the new account were in the red, and AMC just gave that a little bit of a pop, which I needed. And when I do decide to sell it, I'm probably going to buy a share of one of the more expensive stocks. I may buy a share of CRISPR. I may buy a share of Apple. We'll see. We'll see. But the squeeze has not squoze. I am holding steady, diamond handing for the Ape Nation out there, guys. Appreciate everybody that's diamond hand holding the AMC. And shout out to my homegirl Shayla from Wawa. She's holding a ton of AMC and she's holding a whole bunch of Sensionics. And I hope that has a nice run this week. Sensionics was setting up nice, guys. Sensionics had a great week last week. If you've been bag holding that, you got a ton of encouragement on Sensionics. Let me take a look at my watch list here. Yeah, wow, she's running. Sens is up to 454. Man, I had a feeling I was tempted to get some. Congratulations to everybody that's been holding Sens, SENS. It's looking beautiful this morning, looking beautiful. All my Palantalians, that's looking good this morning. Palantir, it's at $24.72, almost at $25 a share, guys. I can see that easily getting up to $100 a share, very, very easily. Palantir. Wow, Corsair got a nice little pop. Holy smoke. Corsair's at $39.77. That's looking amazing. I'm going to be watching Rocket Companies. I think that has the chart setting up for a nice pop up to maybe 22, possibly 23 by Friday. Just a shout out for the watch list on Rocket, RKT. Rocket's been doing well. They've been very busy. Of course, as you know, housing is hot right now, so they are moving and grooving out there, making that moolah. Let me flip back over to the chat and make sure I'm not missing anybody's chat, guys. If you haven't already, please smash the like button. You know that helps send the live stream out so other people can hop on and chat with me if they want to. Appreciate you guys a lot. You guys have been real supportive, especially my friends from the Discord. Appreciate you guys very much. I'll put the link in the chat there. We got Clover sitting at 1503, looks like. I'm going to be watching Microvision, believe it or not, because I believe that had a nice little cup and handle setup. It looked like it was about to pop up. Microvision, ticker MVIS, or My Girl Mavis. And then, of course, I'll be watching BlackBerry because I did get about 50 shares of BlackBerry, and I want to see where that goes today. If you guys didn't watch my new account challenge video, go give that a little watch. Some good high growth, affordable companies in there that you can grab some shares of. A couple of them are under $10 a share. It's a good deal to get in on these high growth stocks before they have that run up. That's the best time to get them before the run up. What's everybody watching today? Do you guys have a stock that you're watching? Of course, I know a lot of people are watching AMC, GME, which I have up here for you guys to see. And then there's a few on the watch list on the left-hand side. Remember when I told you guys about Nintendo around 70? Look at her sitting up there. Look at her sitting up there at almost $74. Oh wait, no. 70. Was it 77? Nintendo's been doing good. When all these other stocks have all this volatility, Nintendo either stays the same or goes up. It's not dropped, well, I don't believe it's dropped below 70 in quite a while. And of course, I believe in the company. Gaming's going to be massive in the future, guys. Gaming's going to be like going crazy with the virtual reality and everything like that. Nintendo's going to be killing it, guys. If you want to grab a couple OTC stocks, Nintendo is always on my list of suggestions. It rides out a lot of the market volatility because it's kind of off to the side doing its own thing a lot of times. It's not affected, by all of that. Because they are in Japan, not the US. Yeah. Gotta show Mario some love. Gotta show Mario some love. Of course, I like Tesla. I bought on the high end, so I'm still waiting to break even and go green on Tesla, but it's looking nice this morning. It's looking pretty good this morning. The SPY is green. That's good. Guys, manage your risk, guys. Definitely now is the time to try to get rid of any margin if you have that. In other words, if you're borrowing money to get stocks, you're going to want to try to chop that down as best as you can, because hedge funds are not happy right now. Big money is not happy with all that is going on and all the investigation and stuff. And I would not be surprised to see quite a large sell-off any day now, to sort of throw a monkey wrench in the whole AMC short squeeze thing. Yeah, I think they could dump a bunch of shares to put a scare out there. So guys, just make sure you're not overextended. Kind of reel back, take a little bit of profits, trim your position, take some profits, de-risk, take out your initial investment perhaps on the speculative stocks. Be mindful of how many spec stocks you have. You don't want to be too heavy. You might want one or two, and that's it, guys. Really, truly, that is it right now. We are at all-time highs on the SPY. And, markets don't just go up. I was speaking about that in my live stream on Saturday night. Michelle and I were speaking about that. It doesn't always go up, 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 up. Look at this. Just like, this is definitely due for a correction. Excuse me. Let's look at it on the weekly chart, the 3-year weekly chart. Correction, up, correction. We know what this was here. Remember, that was Rona. Now look at this. You don't tell me this is due. If it's getting a correction every so many months, you don't think we're due for another ding? I think so. I was real tempted to get some SPY puts. I could see her pulling back under 400 easy, maybe to like 390, something like that, very easily, guys. So be careful with the if you're in too deep, start scaling it back out. This is the S&P 500 ETF, which is an average of your S&P 500 stocks. It looks like it's trying to run today, but like I said, any time this could reverse. Okay, this is on the year. Every candle is 1 week. It looks like we're starting off green, but Lady Luck don't run forever, guys. You gotta be prepared for that pullback, for that adjustment, because that's healthy price action. It can't just go Up, 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 right? What else we want to look at? I think Rocket would be a good trade for the week if you guys grab some Rocket, or some MVIS. I think both of those would be great weekly. See, here's the thing: when I buy stocks for swing trade, I make sure that they're stocks that I want to own, that I wouldn't mind owning. Same thing when you're selling puts. When you're selling a put, it means you believe the stock will go up. So you're selling the put to someone that believes it's going down, and you make that premium. So if I'm selling a put or I'm buying shares for a swing trade, I'm going to get them on stocks I wouldn't mind owning, right? Because if it goes down, you're holding the shares. Well, you're holding the shares of a stock that you like. If you're selling a put and perhaps it doesn't go your way and it does go down, well, you're forced to buy the 100 shares of a stock that you like. It's a win-win. And then you just hold it until it does exceed your buying price or your average, and then you can cash out or continue to hold. Sometimes my feelings about a stock will change. I might grab something as a short-term swing trade, and then I may look at it and say, I think I like this. I think I'm going to hang on to it. I think I might just start building on this as a long-term. You know, it all starts somewhere, but definitely make sure it's a company that you like. If you're a new trader investor, pick companies with products that you enjoy. If you like Coca-Cola, buy Coca-Cola. You know what I'm saying? If you like Tesla, because you drive a Tesla, buy some Tesla. Just something to think about. I hope everybody had a fun weekend out there. I'll be hopping on with the Capitalist Academy team at 9:15. We go live. Guys, if you check out my banner in the bottom right-hand corner where it says subscribe, you'll see a link to Capitalist Academy. If you use the code Academy90, you'll get 90% off your first month. It's normally $100 a month. You will get that for $10, and for an entire month you can take every course, watch every lecture, have full access to the private Discord, the live trade alerts in the Discord, and the community, which I'm a part of. If you're interested, check it out, and if you did, please leave a comment so that I know to keep a lookout for you and welcome you. It's a great positive community, a lot of fun as well. We share a lot of ideas on there. You know, it's just good to have a community because, as you know, when these stock market mini crashes or major corrections happen, it's kind of scary and people start to freak out, right? They start to freak out. It's great to have this community available to you because you can go on the Discord. And if you don't know what a Discord is, it's basically kind of like your other social apps, but it's just something you have on your phone or your computer, and you get on, and it's like a forum where you can chat and share ideas. They used to primarily use it for gamers and gaming, but now a lot of trader investor groups are using Discord because it has a lot of features, and I like it. It's user friendly. You know, you can share charts. There's even bots in there that help you do technical analysis. Depending on whose Discord you're in, they have different bots and different little tools in there that you can use to help you. If you're interested in a stock, you can type in technical analysis, put the ticker in, and it will tell you the support and resistance lines for that stock. That's just a quick access to something like that. You're not going to find that out on other social media They don't have the little trader bots in there. So you may want to get in for that reason, to have that resource. And of course, there's always your senior advanced traders, experienced traders in there that can help answer any questions for you in real time. So it's great to be in a community. I don't have my own Discord. I am happy to participate in the Capitalist Academy Discord for those type of things, and I will highly recommend it. All right. So let's go back to AMC for a minute. It is tricky sometimes on TD because TD has the warrants listed and all these. I mean, sometimes you can grab the wrong ticker and think you're looking at it, and you're looking at something from another country. It's funny how that goes sometimes. And sometimes you're like, what? Where is the stock at? There's all these crazy choices in here. Got my Wawa coffee. I wish Wawa had stock. I will buy some stock in Wawa. I would indeed. I believe they have it, but I think you can only get it if you're an employee. So, yeah. Let me share this. Share it with my peeps. Buy anything pre-market yet? I didn't buy anything this week yet, guys. I'm just letting a couple positions I have kind of play out. I was tempted to get some MVIS or some Rocket. I'll be watching that. Have not bought either of those. I was tempted to get Sens, but I think I missed the run for today on Sens. I don't know. Maybe it'll have another dip, and I don't know if I want to start a position in Sens, but I think it's going to have a good week. I think it's going to have a good week. Let's see what the rest of the watch list is looking like. I'm glad I bought a share of CRISPR, man. That went up nice. That's at 127. Great stock for the future, guys. CRISPR, they're doing really cool and amazing things. Got Apple sitting at 127.35. I'd like to find out more about how they're going to go forward with the Apple car and who they're going to use. Hyundai would have been a great choice. But everybody's got getting their ego involved. They don't want to feel as though they're just successful because they partnered with Apple. Some companies feel as though they want to be their own, do their own thing. Everybody's coming out with their own, first round of EVs, and maybe they want to stand on their own merit instead of feeling like, oh, well, Apple saved us because they let us make, the Apple car or whatever. They're going to partner with somebody. I'm sure someone will will be very interested, of course, because that's money. I'm sure it will be a hot seller. I don't think it will compete with Tesla because Tesla is just so far ahead, especially on the manufacturing aspect. Once these factories are complete, this thing is going to be a machine. Like, it's just going to be like, the factory's just going to be like a powerhouse. We'll see. It'll be interesting to see what collaborations, we have. What companies collaborate with what companies, especially the ones that don't really have a foothold here. Is NIO going to have a dealership in the U.S.? I don't know, because Biden's not sounding real thrilled with China, so I don't know if they're going to allow NIO to come here and compete with Tesla. They're giving NIO advantage in China, so I think we should give Tesla an advantage in the U.S. Why wouldn't we? And it'll just balance out. Nothing going too crazy. I mean, there's some price action. Some stocks are moving up slow, but nothing that's really absolutely ripping. That's like, oh wow, nothing's really ripping this morning. But I think AMC will have a great week. AMC's going to do good this week. They might as well just start covering the shorts, get it over with before it gets to like these astronomical levels, right? Not that I'm worried about that. I'm sure they're playing both sides. I'm sure they've gotten on the other side of the fence to take advantage of the movement on the AMC. I'm sure they got shares and options on the other side of the fence. And I don't think this will happen as often. Once everything's said and done, I don't think you're gonna see a whole lot of shorting going on. I'm sure it'll happen, but not to the degree where they took AMC. AMC's just up against the rock and a hard place now. It's pretty interesting to watch this thing play out. But I already de-risked my position, so I'm not really risking any money. I'm playing with house money right now, guys. Playing with house money on AMC anyway. We'll see what happens. There's a lot of great companies and great plays out there, not just AMC, guys. Some other stuff has run up very nicely. I'll be watching JD too. JD's down for some reason. It's only at 71.50. JD's worth more than that, guys. That's like sort of like an Amazon type company. That might be a great buy. Got iRobot at 95.83. That's a great price for a swing trade. That'll go over 100. I'm just looking at my watch list here. Occidental Petroleum's doing great if you would like an oil stock. They are using some carbon capture technology, so I believe they will be a leader and doing well in the oil sector. Wow, Corsair Gaming with the pre-market jump. Corsair's ripping. Corsair's up 3.29% on the pre-market at 41.09 as we speak. That's CRSR ticker. Corsair Gaming. I was real tempted to buy one of their headphones. I think I still will. because just for convenience, if I ever live stream or go away from home, I'll have the laptop and I can just have the headset. I don't have to worry about setting up my snowball here. This is called a snowball from Blue Company. It's my first microphone ever. A little snowball. But it's not the greatest mic. Sometimes the mics on the headsets work better and they move with you, as you move. Not like this crazy thing. But I kind of like it because I get to bedazzle it with my LED lights. Let's look at Corsair Gaming. Look at that. She's doing great. She's doing great. Got this on the 1 day, 1 minute. Corsair. Nice to see it over $40. I'm not sure if it can maintain over 40, but that would be great. Sorry about that. Alright. I'm not going to stay on too long, guys. Got AMC sitting at above 50. It's looking good. It's 51.31. It's looking real good. I don't think I would buy any in the $50 range. If it dropped down to in the low 40s, I might get a few more shares. If it even, does drop down, which it might not. I mean, this might be the week for AMC for the Gorilla Gang. I hope so. I hope, I hope the squeeze squeezes and we can move on to other things, because we don't want to be talking about AMC forever. It is a play. It's not like we're going to talk about it for every day for the next year, It's gonna do its thing, and it's gonna play out, and hopefully people get out at a nice time and they don't get stuck. They don't get stuck. That's why you don't buy it. You don't buy at these prices. Hopefully, if you're in it, you were already in it, and you're riding on house money like I am. If you're not, there's a chance to do so. Don't listen to people say, oh, you're a paper hand. You want to manage your risk. We don't know what will happen. What if some black swan event happens and, I don't know, something crazy, some country tries the United States, or something shakes up the market and everything takes a 15% dip. What do you think will happen to the meme stocks? They're going to get caught. It's like when the water in the river rises and falls. When it rises, your meme stocks will rise, and when it falls, I'm talking about like a massive correction. They're going to fall too with the water level. It's just a way to think of it, right? It's going to pull them down. So you want to take some profits. Be safe about your trading and investing. Make sure you have some solid fundamentals, because when it gets rocky, you want to revert back to your education, to your training, so to speak, to the fundamentals. Go back to, okay, am I trading with emotion, or am I being smart about my decisions here? This is, after all, this is money. And you can lose it. You might feel very confident, but you don't know when the tides are going to shift and things are going to over. You ever look at your portfolio and everything's red, like red, those are the mornings that make you sort of panic and freak out. And it's good to belong to a trading community, because you can be like, dude, hey, what's going on? Yeah, my portfolio's red too. Yeah, mine is too. What's up? What do you think this is? Is this a crash? Is this a crash? And then, it's like, no, this isn't a crash. This is a correction. Hopefully. Hopefully. Now, if it sustains for a certain period of time, then it does become a real crash. I don't want to talk about crashes because nobody wants to talk about that. But it's not like you can look at a calendar and be like, oh, this day is going to be a stock market crash. No, nobody knows. Everybody back at the last one didn't know what day. And the one before, they didn't know what day. Everybody woke up that morning. I think I'm going to buy this or that. And by the end of the day, it was like, oh man, worst day ever, right? So, got AMC sitting at 52.22. But I wouldn't be buying it in the 50s. That's not a sale price for me. A sale price was when I bought at 10.50, and I did average up. I grabbed a few more in the Robinhood. But I wouldn't want my average to be even in the 40s. I would want my average to be 40 or less, to give you some wiggle room when this thing maybe goes the other direction, right? You're not freaking out that bad. Hey, Michelle, good morning. Uh-oh. I am on. Uh-oh. Hey, good morning, Nate. Good morning, Nate. You okay, Michelle? Did you say you were sick? I hope not. It's so hard to see through on my phone. I checked the live chat on my phone so I could keep these charts up, and it's hard to see what people are writing sometimes because the type is so tiny on here. Good morning, Nate. What time is it in Canada? It's 9:04 a.m. here in Orlando, Florida. Got my coffee. Talking about my nerd stocks. What stocks are you looking at this week, guys? I hope you're not sick, Michelle. I'm sorry. I hope you feel better. This is early for me. I was up at 7, which is, I'm usually not up that early, but last Monday I did not feel well. I ate something from Four Rivers Smokehouse. I DoorDashed it, so I don't know who made it. I don't even know who delivered it, and it made me ill for 2 days. I will not be buying anything. It wasn't even that good. I'll use DoorDash as a treat sometimes, but man, I'm sorry I did that. I should have cooked my own food last weekend. I will eventually have to get into cooking just because of the prices of everything are going up so high. Oh, you guys are moving. Oh yeah, congratulations. Yeah, I hear you. I'm not really buying anything this morning either, but I would like to see Clove have a run so people could get out that got stuck in Clove. Thank you for taking the time to drop by the live stream, Nate. That means a lot. Guys, check out Nate Polmateer. That's Polmateer. He's on YouTube. He has a great financial channel. Check him out. And of course, Michelle Morar, Morar. You can see the spelling in the live chat. Of course, she has a channel. She speaks about politics and investing. And of course, Rasta Stocks has a channel as well. and you want to check him out for some ASMR stock market chat. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. I get a kick out of your videos. I love your video editing, and they're pretty funny. You're gonna smash it. You have such a great presence, and I love your sense of humor. And I know you like my Dogecoin live stream. That's a keeper forever. We can relive that moment. The Dumperoonie McFatty. The Dumperoonie McFatty. I totally expected that. That's why I laughed. You know, you can't get mad at this stuff. I mean, that was too much. I knew somebody was going to do that. All the Elon haters out there were just holding Doge just to dump it when the show started. Yeah, the Dumperoonie McFatty. Yeah, we are. I mean, if you're in the community, a lot of people expected the sell the news phenomenon. Some new traders don't understand that phenomenon because it kind of goes against reason, but I completely expected that. And I had made some attendees on Doge earlier in the week. I had swing traded a small amount, but I definitely sold those well before the show started. That was fun to live stream that, though. He caught a lot of flack for going on there, and you know, it takes a lot of courage to do that, especially as an autistic person. I know some things you might take for granted, but you know, being on a live television show is not something Elon Musk does every day. So if looking at it from that perspective, I think he did great. You know. And I hope he does great things for Dogecoin because I love Dogecoin. I'm holding that. As tempting as it is sometimes to take profits, I think there's just so many catalysts coming up for Dogecoin. I'm happy to hold it. I diamond hand my Dogecoin. Nate, I like how you have the little Canadian flag in your profile. That's awesome. But be safe. Don't hurt your back. Have a great day moving. Congratulations. Exciting to buy a new house. And you know, you worked hard for it, so enjoy it. Just be safe in the moving process. I'm getting ready to hop off pretty soon, guys. If there's anything you guys want me to have a look at, we can. But I'm going to hop off and switch over to be in the live stream with Pete. So I want to be able to wrap this up before 9:15. Yeah, that would have been the time to load up, Nate, back when it was like literally pennies. I had 70,000 at one point. I should have held them, all of them. That'd been nice. That might have bought me a new Tesla Plaid. Those things are so crazy fast, man. I just watched the videos of people driving these. I would love to test drive one. Going 0 to 60 in like 3 seconds? That's crazy. That's like a rocket ship on Earth. It's awesome. I look at the Carvana in Orlando. If you ever are just bored and you want to browse around on Carvana, another great stock to get. every single Tesla is either sold, pending, or under contract of sale. There's never, the minute they have a Tesla, on there, it gets a offer and it's pending sale. There is no, every time I look at Carvana, you cannot find a Tesla that is not being either on hold or being bought. And I haven't seen it yet. Other car making models, yeah, you can, all you want to choose from, but the Teslas are flying out of there in Carvana. They are hot. So I can just imagine when we get this incentive, these EV incentives for the new ones. I mean, Tesla's going to be just a beast. It's going to be crazy. Thanks, Nate. Appreciate it. Looking forward to your next video. Nate Polmateer. Make sure you go check him out. If you haven't already subscribed, if you're a new watcher, guys, I would love to have you subscribe. I go live Monday morning and Friday morning at about 8:30 a.m. And of course, once a week I do a new account challenge update where I add $100 to my new account, and I will tell you what stocks I'm buying. Now, it's not financial advice. I'm sharing my journey. I'm showing you what stocks I'm buying to build up a new portfolio. I started in January. It's already over $3,000, guys, so I can show you how to do that for $100 a week, rather. But if you can't do 100, do 25, do 50, do what you can do. My first video I made, I stated it's what you want to make it, right? So it's of course scalable. If you can only do $20 a week, do $20 a week. If you can do more than 100, of course, there's plenty of people that can do a lot more. And I'm showing the progress, because if you're new, you may not see how people build out a portfolio. It seems kind of simple, but for a beginner, it might not be. So I could show you how the journey has gone. This portfolio, I think, is doing well, considering a lot of the small cap stocks were hit hard this year. So they're starting to have a little bit of a comeback. The high growth stocks out there. Yeah, they are benefiting immensely from the government incentives, Nate. They are. They really truly are. If you watch that hacker video that he said all the negative things about Tesla, he did bring that up. But it is what it is. We're trying to clean up the environment. So. And other countries are going the way of EV as well, so whatever way they find is the best to do that. I'd rather see Americans get EV credits than just send our money to other countries for no reason. I'd rather see the money go into something like that. But yeah, Tesla, I'm sure, has learned how to benefit greatly from that. I'm sure that is a big part of why they built so many factories, and why, I'm sure it has a lot to do with it. That's all rolled into the cost of everything. But anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap up the live stream. Thanks for joining me this morning. I hope everybody has a profitable week. Don't forget to manage your risk, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button if you did watch and you like what you saw or you learned anything. Please also leave a comment in the comment section, not just the chat, because that will also help people find the video and they can watch the replay. For those of you that didn't catch it live and you are watching the replay, I appreciate you guys very much. And I will see you guys very soon. Have a great week.